Florida, US, October 10, 2024.
Crazy. Welcome to the Tampa Bay. We got some giant flooding. This is
Bro, you gotta go grab the tree branch.
You gotta be very careful.
Hurricane Milton is now pushing across the Florida peninsula with destructive storm surge, strong winds, and catastrophic flooding. Milton is accelerating east-northeastward across central Florida and will be in the Atlantic by sunrise Thursday morning. It made landfall Wednesday evening south of Tampa Bay in Siesta Key, Florida.
La locura, la locura. Mierda.
About 125 homes had already been destroyed by Hurricane Milton by Wednesday evening, according to Florida officials. The director of Florida's Divisions of Emergency Management said most of the lost residences were mobile homes in senior communities.
Having a good Sunday in the rain.
Fire and emergency services were halted, millions were without power, streets and homes were flooded, and power lines and trees knocked down as Hurricane Milton made landfall Wednesday night on Florida's west coast. More than 2 million homes and businesses were without power in Florida, according to poweroutage.us, which tracks utility reports. The hardest number of outages were in Hardy County, as well as neighboring Sarasota and Manatee counties.
Part of the building now? Can't even tell.
A flash flood emergency is in effect for portions of Tampa Bay, including St. Petersburg, Tampa, Riverview, and Palmetto, Florida. So far, 10 to 14 inches of rain has fallen across southern Pinellas County, coastal Hillsborough County, and western Manatee County.
It's getting into these people's homes.
St. Petersburg, Florida, reported more than 5 inches of rain in just 1 hour, along with a gusts of 90 miles per hour in 10 hours. Parts of Tampa and St. Petersburg have recorded more than 10 inches of rainfall, while downtown St. Petersburg has recorded nearly 17 inches through midnight Thursday.
That sign is usually not in the water.
Sarasota Airport, SRQ, 96 miles per hour. We were reporting in the eye of the storm, the eye wall of the storm as it came through. Now,
a flash flood emergency is in also effect for Pasco, Hillsborough, and Polk counties, including Lakeland, Winter Haven, and Wesley Chapel. So far, 8 to 12 inches of rain have fallen. Multiple tornadoes have been confirmed in southern Florida. Hurricane-force winds are sweeping through central Florida. Winds have gusted up to 105 miles per hour in Egmont Channel, 102 miles per hour in Sarasota, 101 miles per hour in St. Petersburg, 93 miles per hour in Tampa, and 93 miles per hour in Venice. A sustained wind of 78 miles per hour was recorded in Venice at an elevated station. St. Petersburg's Tropicana field and several cranes in downtown have taken serious damage. Numerous news outlets and Tampa residents also posted videos of the roofs of Tropicana field being ripped to shards by Milton's winds. To the east, Daytona Beach has gusted to 76 miles per hour, Leesburg, Florida to 70 miles per hour, and Orlando Executive Airport to 74 miles per hour. Water levels have risen by about 8+ feet near Sarasota. A storm surge of 2 to 5 feet has been recorded from Naples to Charlotte Harbor, with more inundation likely occurring in Manatee and Sarasota counties. Water levels fell by around 5 feet at the top of Tampa Bay due to blowout winds, while the mouth of Tampa Bay saw a climb in water levels by 1 to 2 feet.
As the heaviest winds and rain of the storm are currently coming in, it is very important to...
Tropical storm and hurricane warnings continue for much of Florida and parts of coastal South Carolina and Georgia. This will be continued when conditions improve. A storm surge warning stretches along Florida's Gulf Coast from Flamingo northward to Yankeetown, including Charlotte Harbor and Tampa Bay. Milton's landfall in Sarasota County was a bit of hybrid landfall. The hurricane was gathering energy from both the warm Gulf of Mexico and from a nearby jet stream that will help launch Milton into the Atlantic. This means that the effects of rainfall flooding and storm surge flooding will be bisected by the storm's path. Part of Atlantic coastal line is also in a storm surge warning, from Sebastian Inlet, Florida, northward to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, including the St. John River in northeast Florida. This means a life-threatening water rise from storm surge is expected in this area into Thursday.